Well, this is a tutorial of Excel spreadsheet tutorial and episode 5. So this video is the episode 5 of the serial Excel spreadsheets tutorial, Google spreadsheets that we've learned together. And today I want to show you many features and menu from Excel spreadsheet tutorial. Hopefully this video will be a nice tutorial for you and might be useful for you. So today I wanna explain about some menu on the Excel spreadsheet tutorial, and we will study about the menu on the Excel spreadsheet tutorial on the Excel spreadsheet, so you'll be able to be more familiar with Excel spreadsheet. And I think it's a little bit different with Microsoft Excel because we need to save to our data, so we need to press Control plus S continually. But on the Excel spreadsheet, I think that it will be automatically saved by times. Last 8 it was 14 hours ago, you can see on your screen here. And also it's so interesting here when you click share here on the top right corner, the green button, you can share this Excel spreadsheet file to people or groups having been on your computers or list of your contacts. So people having the link that you share, they would be able to open the file. Okay, so I wanna give an example about one of many examples about contacts on my email. So I would take Tia and as an we can edit here as viewer, commenter, or editor. So I would like to select editor and then send, and you can copy link, or it depends on the access that you serve to your friends. And when we click settings for Excel spreadsheets here, so you can uncheck this here. Editors can change permission and share. You can check it or uncheck this. Or viewers and commenters can see the options to download, print, and copy. So it depends on your need. Do you want to check mark or to do checklist on the settings or not? So it depends on you. You can see on the Excel spreadsheet there are many features that I think that they are useful for our job or work, and sharing together with our friends and giving an access to other people with the link that you share on them. So it depends on you based on your need. And I want to go back first. Okay, so I forget about something. From people that you add to send this link, you can add people not only for one people but also many people or more people. And we can see here on this window, I think from Excel spreadsheet, to know about the people that we will share the link. And also you can edit how they can access your link or your Excel spreadsheet as an editor, viewer, or only commenter. And also we can type the message together with the Excel spreadsheet that we share, because it's like email. I think it's like email function that has an attachment to receiver. And I think with this feature you can share privately people to only open your link, and after we click send, so automatically will appear on the email as notifications. Okay, that's, I think, very useful feature on the Google spreadsheet. Okay, how is this file for you? It's just an example to message people that we that will receive the uh, Google spreadsheets from me. Okay, yeah, okay, that's the important thing, that you can uh, inform people that will receive on the file, especially for the Google spreadsheets that you share. They can be a viewer or only commenter or editor, even editor. You can set about it, and it's very useful if you have some group workings or working groups or cooperation together with your friends. There is another place without meeting one face to face. And okay, move to the next lesson. We can also do collaborations with comments from Excel spreadsheets. Okay, here data about name of students, and right click comments, and then the display will be like this. It's a feature from Excel spreadsheet, so we can give comments or commentate as commentators to data, to the data on the spreadsheet. So you can give some questions or asking about the unknown data, so you can check it. And if okay, if we click comment about it, so there's a comment third appearance on the right top here as an orange sign or orange mark, and you can click it and the comment will appear. And also we can tag people or our friends to answer my comments, or answer my our comments about it. Okay, a comment or others with add. Okay, so we will tag here tia@gmail.com, that will assign to tia @gmail.com. So it's an assignment. Okay, so people that will accept my command will get notifications on their email based on our command, like here. So for example, hello, what is this file, or why, blah blah blah, or anything, the questions that you want to ask to people that you tag. Okay, hello, y equal to get 77.7. Okay, here for example, it says, for example, y equal to get 77.7. So if we look for on the table, I think that Iqbal Asmail have a score of 77.7, and you can ask about it. So it's just a feature from Google Spreadsheets to more communicate about people together. And also we can set here to share with people. Okay, in a sense to people that we want to share about our spreadsheets, even if just commenters, viewers, or only edit or editors. So it will be crucial when we have friends from another place that we cannot meet face to face. We can share our file by tag him or tag her. Okay, that's about menu tab file. and then we can email this file. So the Google spreadsheets can be sent to people. So it is similar with email. Of course, you need to choose one of your friends or one of people that you want to send this email, this file via email. And also subject, you can change the subject. This is important. Is this is just for example, this is important. And also on the tab file type will be PDF or another or type of file, and you can convert it automatically by the Google. And after this, just click send to send our Google spreadsheet to people that we want. Okay, hello, this is file for you. Okay, and the file type Microsoft Excel, and then send. There is a PDF or format file or Excel, Microsoft Excel. And also on this menu file, you can download about it by using Microsoft Excel format or PDF or web format. There are many formats that you can choose from this download menu on the tab file menu. It's the menu bar. Okay, it's about downloading PDF. For example, we will download this data by PDF, and after we successfully download this file, we can open it, and here the file of PDF from our data can be downloaded, and we can open it offline. Okay, on this menu file, I think that it's a cool feature. This is version history, so we can know about the people that make a change on our file, or people that add some informations or some data on our file. So it's about history. Okay, the versions of history. The version history on the right side here, all versions. And if we click the link, the changes of our file will be appeared on this feature. Okay, that's a very interesting feature on Google Spreadsheets, especially for Excel. And also there's a menu about move to trash. It means that you can delete and then move to the trash of our file from the Google Drive. And also there's a menu file from new, if you want to create a new spreadsheet. Okay, from the menu file, this is about new file, and on the menu edit, view, insert, and many tabs from this Google spreadsheets. I think that it is similar with menus from Microsoft Excel, because I think that spreadsheets Excel is taken from the Microsoft Excel concept. And also there's a freeze from view, show, freeze, to freeze, and group, zoom, and full screen. So we can zoom on the only, for example, the first row or the second row, how many percentage here. Okay, as the zoom in or zoom out. Okay, 100%, 75%. And also there's a insert menu, and about insert new cells or rows or columns or set or chart, pivot table, image drawing functions, link, checkbox, drop down, and smart chips. And if we need pictures or if we need pictures for our file, it's also insert picture. And so functions, there are hundreds of formula for this Excel spreadsheet. Oh, there are many things that we can do as to-do list to learn later about this preset tutorial from base. Okay, it's similar also with Microsoft Excel. You can do the alignment, the number, and then conditional formatting, and data from data. There is a filter. It's a correct filter, and data validation from the tab data from the menu bar. It's a data validation. 90% is is similar with Microsoft Excel that installed on Microsoft or installed on computer or laptop. And I think it's so complete. It's really quite complete. It's quite complete to have some functions that we need for our jobs of our works. Okay, it's about menu tools, extensions, and help. Okay, help. You can search many things that you ask for this spreadsheets Excel, Google from Google. Okay, for example, we'll go to help, and then there's a keyboard shortcuts, and it's a shortcut for your keyboard, so we can optimize it to make it easier for our jobs that will be faster. And I think enough. We have learned, I think, to much lessons about this Excel spreadsheet from episode 5, from the first video until the last. And hopefully the serial of study about spreadsheets can be helpful for you. And if you have learned about Microsoft Excel, I think that you will understand about the Excel spreadsheets used. And that's all. That's a tutorial of Excel spreadsheet tutorial from episode 5. Hopefully this might be useful for you. And I think sometimes we will explain about the formula that's from Google Spreadsheets that synchronize to Microsoft Excel. That's all. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.